Alright, I got one more song. I think this one is a sit-down song.
I'm sitting down.
Is it okay if I stand up?
You can do whatever you want. I just think that would be...
No!
the most good.
I know, but it's all bad.
Stand down, stand down.
I swear I'll run away from every home I ever had. So I'll build a new house in every town I pass. Maybe then I won't always feel lost or trapped. When I was growing up, I was the smartest kid I knew. But maybe that was just because I didn't know that many kids. All I know is now I feel the opposite. Like if you don't want to work, then that becomes your job. There's a lot of overtime. There's not many days off. I hope you know that I'm not trying to complain. It just gets hard to explain to people that I know, or the kids who come to shows, that I just don't want to talk about the office today. I've been watching friends go from being pessimists to work at home archaeologists. They dig skin deep, they work hard every day on burying their arms for a vein or two that maybe they forgot. And the cops say it's a crime for people like me and those friends of mine who wanna die. Like my neighbor in St. Pete, she's been on house arrest down here. If she tries to leave her yard, they'll lock her in a cage for years. 'Cause sometimes she wants to die, and she shoots dope when she thinks she could die. And the law, it caught her one too many times, shooting dope when she thought that she could die. We're building a new world, all of my friends and me. It's not an exact science yet, but we have got technology. Now all we need is an economy where everybody finally will get enough to eat. Even in the suburbs, no power's getting too crooked to stand on its own feet for much longer than it has. So I don't want to kill a cop. What I want is neighborhoods where they don't have to get called when the shit goes down. 'Cause our friends, they are enough, and our neighbors have enough. And finally we're enough. 'Cause our friends, they are enough, and our neighbors are enough. And finally we're enough. Please help me be, please help me be, please help me be enough. Fuck the law, 'cause we're enough. Fuck the boss, 'cause we're enough. Fuck owning stocks, 'cause we're enough. Fuck Microsoft, 'cause we're enough. Fuck you, 'cause we're enough. Fuck moving to Portland, 'cause we're enough. slam some dunks, cause we're enough.
Yeah, slam some dunks.
We'll grow some food, cause we're enough. Don't be afraid, cause we're enough. You'll always be okay, because we'll always be enough. Thank you very much.